Hello everyone, this video will help you understand the use of SQL joins and how to use it. It is a clause used to combine rows from two or more tables based on a related column between them. It returns only the rows that have matching values in both tables. Here is the syntax for SQL inner join. Select column names from table 1, inner join, table 2. On table 1 column name, table 2 column name. Now this is how to use the statement. First, open the MS SQL application with a few seconds for it to run. Then after the app opens, just click connect. You don't need to do anything about the login. Second, click the new query located in the taskbar. Make sure that you already have a database when performing this command. For this tutorial, we will be using the LiQWYD database as a sample. Before doing the syntax, let us perform the use statement first. Just type use LiQWYD, the database you're going to use. Now for the next step, let's type the query. Select product ID, product name, category name from products, inner join, categories on products.category ID, equal categories.category ID. Each step, execute the query by clicking the execute button or simply pressing F5. As you can see, the results don't have any null values because this statement only returns match record of the products table and the categories table. And that's how to use the inner join syntax. I hope this video will give you a simple lesson about it. Thank you for watching.